Hey everyone, today we're diving into a quick showdown between two of Garmin's flagship rugged smartwatches, the multisport-focused Fenix 8 and the newly launched Quatix 8, designed specifically for mariners. On the Fenix 8 side, you've got Garmin's brightest AMOLED display, 1.3 to 1.4 options, a built-in speaker and microphone for on-wrist calls and voice commands. Now here's where Quatix 8 pulls ahead with marine-first features: chart plotter voice control, remote autopilot and trolling motor commands, tide and anchor drag alerts, wrist Fenix-style battery life up to 16 days or 29 days for the 51mm. If you're mostly trail running, mountaineering, or triathlon ing, Fenix 8 nails the multi-sport experience with smartwatch polish. But if you spend serious time boating or sailing, Quatix 8 brings that next-level marine control and data right to your wrist. Let's compare the price. Now, let's talk about design and build. Time to check the battery life. Let's find out which one keeps going longer. Let's compare connectivity. We'll see how well these smartwatches keep you connected wherever you are. Let's explore the key features. Now, let's talk about sound. From clearer calls to better music control, which one sounds better? Let's compare the sensors. Now, let's check the additional features. To sum it up, the Fenix 8 delivers top-tier multi-sport performance, rugged durability, and smartwatch features ideal for trail runners and outdoor athletes. Meanwhile, the Quatix 8 elevates everything with marine-grade extras, voice-controlled chart plotters, autopilot commands, tide and anchor alerts, and dive support while matching battery life and rugged build.